Hi, I'm Patrick from Atlas, and these are the new Field-Configurable High Bays. These high bays are fully customizable straight out of the box. With just the flip of a switch, you can adjust lumen output, color temperature, and light distribution on the fly, with no tools required. There are 3 modes for each setting, giving you 27 possible configurations in a single fixture. For light distribution, you can choose between 3 different patterns: a 65-degree spread for balanced coverage, a wider 90-degree option for open spaces, or a narrow 45-degree pattern that's optimized for aisle lighting.
The integrated quick control port is compatible with plug-and-play sensors that are sold separately.
The lineup includes 3 housing sizes to cover a broad range of applications. The small housing delivers 12,000 to 20,000 lumens. The medium delivers 24,000 to 36,000 lumens. And the large delivers 36,000 to 48,000 lumens. All sizes include selectable color temperatures of 3,500, 4,000, and 5,000 Kelvin. This product line was designed to deliver maximum flexibility without increasing inventory and installation complexity. It's a great lighting solution for countless applications, including warehouses, distribution centers, gyms, automotive bays, factories, and more. All 3 sizes are in stock now and ready to ship. For more information, contact your local Atlas distributor, agent, or reach out to us directly. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.